Hey, it's Brianna. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I store my seasonal decor, and you're going to be undecorating with me and cleaning my home as I'm transitioning it from fall and Halloween and preparing it for Thanksgiving because we're hosting this year, and preparing for Christmas and holiday decor around my home. If you're new here, make sure you click that red subscribe button while you watch. But I'm going to get started in my basement closet to kind of show you guys how I store all of my decor, because if you're new to my channel, I love doing decorate with me videos or cleaning and decorating with me videos, so get ready. There will be a bunch of good ones coming up for Thanksgiving and the holiday season and Christmas. But how I store all of those decorations that I'm putting up for every single season and every single holiday is in these plastic storage bins. And I always get different color coded ones for the season. So you can kind of see the orange and purple are my Halloween boxes. I've got some 4th of July and summer decor in blue boxes, so blue is my summer color. I've got some purple ones, and then there's a pink one that has Valentine's Day decor, but the purple ones have more of the winter, cooler months seasonal decor. At the bottom here, I've got some green and red bins, which are my Christmas decor. And then I just have some clear ones that have just some other kind of decor that are good for all seasons around my home. So that's sort of my method of where I put it all and how then I make sure it's easy for me, or when I ask my husband to bring up my decor boxes for me, he knows exactly which ones to pull. And one of my favorite things to do just to change up the decor and add in different pops of colors with every season or holiday is to get new throw pillows and throw blankets. But here's where I store all of these throw pillows and blankets. They're all going to go into my upstairs linen closet. You can see all of my pink and blush spring pillows and throws on those bottom shelves. So I'm gonna put my fall pillows and throws on those top 2 shelves there. And this is a little hack, but add a scented dryer sheet. You can just lay it right on the bottom of the shelf before you put your pillows and throws there. And to me, it just kind of keeps the entire closet smelling super fresh, and whatever items you're putting in there will smell really nice and fresh when you take them out for the next season. Now, anything that is glittery or has wax like candles, I store all of these inside of grocery bags. That way the glitter stays contained, doesn't get over the other decor that might be going into your storage container. And same thing with your candles. You just don't want any of the wax rubbing off on other decor in that storage bin. And I would highly recommend, if you have candles that you're storing or any other kind of decor that could potentially melt, or like fabrics where stains can come out in heat, don't store those containers in places like attics or garages that could get really hot in the summertime. And down in the basement, I found, is where it stays the coolest and just keeps all of the decorations safe down in those plastic storage containers. And as you can see, I wrapped each candle individually as well. That way they're not bumping and nicking each other when in storage. And just because I've accumulated so many pumpkins over the last couple of years doing my fall decor, I use this hutch that's in my dining room to store a lot of the pumpkins. That way they don't get damaged in any of the boxes. And that dryer sheet hack still works. So I love just setting one down inside of here. That way it keeps everything nice and fresh and clean smelling. And I can just put the decor right on top of it. And it's all safe and protected and smells wonderful. And I'm gonna do the same hack with the storage bins of just putting a dryer sheet right in the bottom of them so that everything smells fresh after it's packed up. And I used the Mrs. Meyer's pumpkin multi-surface spray for my clean today. I'm trying to use the rest of it before I switch over to the Mrs. Meyer's holiday scents for this year. Make sure you check back to my channel on November 1st because I will have a link for a free gift set that's going to include the Mrs. Meyer's holiday scents, this gorgeous stoneware tray, and this red cleaning caddy. So make sure you check back on November 1st or follow my socials because I will have the link posted on there too. But there's a peppermint scent, an Iowa pine scent, and an orange clove scent, and they're all wonderful for the holidays. So check back November 1st. So that is how I store my seasonal decor. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any tips for seasonal decor storage that I didn't mention, please leave them below down in the comments so that others can learn from you as well. And make sure you are subscribed with your bell notifications turned on because there's going to be a ton of holiday cleaning and decorating videos on this channel. I cannot wait for you guys to see some of the things I've been scheming and planning. I've got so much up my sleeves that I just cannot wait to share with you. So make sure you're subscribed and your bell notifications are turned on, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, loves. And get excited because there are Boss Mom and Boss Lady 20-ounce coffee tumblers in that rose gold stainless steel. They keep your coffee hot for 3 hours. They keep drinks cold for 5 hours. And they are available on the Etsy shop today. So I will have the link to both of these tumblers down in my description box. And there's gonna be some more Boss Mom and Boss Lady merch coming your way soon. So be on the lookout for that. They are perfect for yourself or as gifts this holiday season. And just thank you so much for your support and for all of your ideas, because I would not have made these coffee tumblers had it not been for your requests. So make sure you check out that link below so that you can order yours today.